factor using GCF plus diamond or trial error method. Our question is 4x squared plus 64x minus 30. First step, what is GCF? So our GCF in these three terms is 2. Why? Because 2 is common here, 2 is common here, 2 is common here. That's the largest common factor in these three terms. So we pull out our 2, and what we get here is 7x squared plus 32x minus 15. So we use our GCF for the first term, or for the first step. We use our GCF. So this is our first step answer. Once we're done, we have to check whether this parenthesis polynomial, can that be factored furthermore? And in our case, the answer is yes. Why? Because I can see here that I can compare this with ax squared plus bx plus c. And then I can follow my diamond method where I multiply a times c and make the diamond and use the grouping because our a is other than 1. So that method, I have done it in my previous video. Please check it out. So now I wanted to show you trial and error method, okay, with this, the yellow part. So for trial and error method, what we do is we create two nice parentheses. So right here, I'm going to create two nice parentheses like this. And I want to make sure I put 2 right here with my answer. And I'm going to box this. Now, x squared is here. So I'm just going to write x here and x here, right? But now, the coefficient for x squared is 7. So I have to think about factors of 7. And those are 1 times 7, 7 times 1. These two are exactly the same. So it's just one pair of factors, 1 times 7 or 7 times 1. Now we're going to look at factors of 15, not negative 15, but just 15. 15. And those are 1 times 15, 3 times 5, and 5 times 3. Again, these are repeating, so we don't need that. So we're just going to have two pair of factors, 1 times 15, 3 times 5. So now the question is, which two you're going to multiply here with x, that when you times it, you get 7. So you have two choices, whether 1 times 7 or 7 times 1. So again, it's a trial error method. So you can choose 7 here, 1 here, or 1 here, 7 here. I'm just going to choose here as 7, and I'm going to choose here as 1. Okay. So I just decided those two. And now for the remaining terms up here, the factors comes from 15. So which two I'm going to multiply, that gives me negative 15. So my best guess will be 3 and 5. So I'm just going to choose negative 3 and positive 5. Now don't forget, you have so many choices. You have this first, 1 times 7. Then you can have 7 times 1. Okay, because you want the positive value, right? But on this side, you have actually 4 choices. 1 times negative 15, then negative 1 times 15, then negative 3 times 5, and 3 times negative 5. So you need to choose which one fits your need. Okay, in our case, 7 times x, 7x squared, 7 times 5, 35x, minus 3x, plus 32x, and minus 15. So this answer is with trial and error method. Do not forget, when you write your answer, the GCF you must carry forward with your answer. So your entire answer will be 2 times parentheses 7 minus 3 times parentheses x plus 5. Hope this will help you.